Now I will introduce C13 to you. First, we can connect PG and USB interface. This is HDMI. Connect TV. We can see this display have ID and password and ID. Now I will use my phone to connect TV. Open mirror. We can see ID, same ID. Connect. Now we can see my phone and the same TV indicator mirror success. Now we can start airplane. Open setting to find Wi-Fi. You must find same Wi-Fi. Koogold. This. Input password. 1, 2, 3, 4. Connected. Now we can enter browser. Input IP address. We can see Wi-Fi AP, clean scheme. We input password. Then connect. Okay. We connect Oppo RGB. We can Oppo TV. Wait a few seconds. And you can see TV this mark cleaned. And we can see Koogold is the same TV. This if you can see difference of TV and the phone indicate airplane successful. Now we can open this. If you enter a TV, click. That's all. Thank you.